Hello, this is Andrew with Central Missouri Collectibles, and welcome back to a new video. Today, I've got an 8-coin PCGS submission to unbox, and all of the coins in here are commemorative half dollars from 1918 or 1936. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, these were gone for about 2 months or so, and I was finally able to get them. We did have a few issues with FedEx, but I was able to get them after a few days. And let's go ahead and get started. Let me take the paperwork out of there. And oh no, here's a bad sign right out the gates. Another bobby bag inside. And we'll have to see which one this is. Very unfortunate. Let's see what we've got. All right, it is the 1936 Norfolk half dollar, and it is apparently PVC residue. Yeah, I guess I can see it over here in this field. But other than that, it looks like a very nice coin and some down there too. That's unfortunate, but hopefully all the rest of the coins turned out well on the submission. So let's move on to the next one here. We've got a 1936 Cleveland or Great Lakes commemorative half dollar. And let's see what this one got. It looks very nice from the back side, and let's go ahead and flip it over. Yeah, this looks like a very nice coin. I think when I sent it off, I was hoping to get a 5 or a 6 on it. So let's see what we got. It is a MS65 on this 1936 Cleveland. Very nice original coin. Unfortunately, the Clevelands are not worth a lot of money, but this is a very nice example. All right, now moving on to another fun part of the submission. I've got 6 coins here. These all came out of an original roll, and they are all 1918 Lincoln, Illinois commemoratives. So let's grab the first one here. They all have some very original toning to them. Let's see the front on this one. Looks like a pretty nice coin. There are a couple hits in the field there, right above Liberty. So let's see what this one got. It got a MS64. So that's a good result on that one. I believe these are around $280 to $300, somewhere in there. So that's a good result on that one. I paid $100 plus the grading fee for each one of these coins. Okay. Up next here, I've got another MS64 on this Lincoln. Very nice original toning on all these coins. They came out of that roll. Yeah, it looks like a very nice coin, honestly. Not many hits on it other than right there above Liberty again. If it didn't have that, it probably would have went a little bit higher. But still, another 64. That's another $160 come up or so. We've got another one here, similar toning to it. This one got a 63. I'm trying to figure out why. I guess there's a couple hits there below the 1918. But other than that, it looks pretty nice. Yeah, not really anything wrong with the back. I guess there's a few hits on his head as well there. But another very nice Lincoln commemorative. We've got 3 more here. Just getting started with these. This one looks very nice on the back. I don't see any problems on it. And this one got a 4 as well. Yeah, right there underneath the eye, there is some scratching there. And on his cheek. All right, another nice 4. And here is the 5th one we've got. Another one, the reverse doesn't have much damage, and this one's another 64. Another good grade on this coin. There's some type of problem there in the field. Looks like a bit of a scratch or something going on there, but another nice coin. And then we've got one more here to round it out. This one does have a bit of a hit there on the back. And this one got a 63. Let's see if there's any problems on the obverse. There's a big hit there on the nose. I just noticed that. All right. So, hey, overall, a very good submission. Very unfortunate that we got a PVC grade on this one. But I might send it back in. They are recommending to do the conservation service, and I might do that because I'm just not very good at cleaning coins, and, you know, I'd rather let the professionals do that. All right. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Got to see some very nice commemorative half dollars, and all of these will be for sale on my eBay, which is Central Missouri Collectibles. Unless they've sold at a coin show, and I'll be going to several coin shows within the next few weeks, so that's possible. But I'll try to hold some back for eBay for sure. Have a great rest of your day.